guys, today I'm going to cook some frozen tilapia in the air fryer. We've got a bag of frozen tilapia fish fillets here, and I'm going to cook these right from frozen. So what I'm going to do here is just run a little warm water over this. These are individually wrapped, so just run a little warm water over it just to thaw it a little bit and help it make it a little easier to get it out of the wrapper here. See how this works. Okay, these are nice because you just pull out, you know, as many as you want at a time. So I'll probably do like 2 of them here. And I'm going to season these with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper, sides pepper. This has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'll get these in the air fryer. This air fryer has this ceramic grate in the bottom rather than Teflon. And I wiped it with a little bit of oil first just to hopefully keep it from sticking. And I only seasoned the top side, I didn't season the bottom. Now we'll get that closed up here. And I set this to air fry at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Alright, this shut off. Let's open this up and see how they look here. They're supposed to be 145 degrees Fahrenheit when they're done. Let's check the temp real quick. That one's like 148 or so. See what the back one is here. That one's 149, so we're good. Got the cat, Honey, up there on the counter seeing what I'm cooking here. Okay, let's put these on a plate and try them out. Alright, let's see how this turned out here. Flakes right apart, cut it with a fork. Looks pretty moist, let's try it. That came out good. Easy way to cook fish. I guess we'll see what Annie thinks. I don't know how much she likes fish, but she seems pretty excited. There you go, Annie. Inhale. Let's see if Honey will eat a piece of fish. She's kind of getting into trouble up here, but we'll see. Well, look at that. She seems to like it. Annie's getting jealous. She's down there begging down by my leg. Well, yeah, I guess she likes it too. Well, that worked out good. Cooking times will probably vary a little bit depending on your air fryer and how big your pieces of fish are, but I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.